Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a kitchen deep clean. I'm just going to start by vacuuming off the tops of the cabinets and then wiping them down.
But now the never ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never would've believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
I wanted to wipe down the cabinets to remove any fingerprints and any dust or dirt, and to wipe them down I'm just using the Lysol disinfectant spray and a paper towel.
Lucky, lucky, I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
You started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is grown all wide. Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if they really care. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but let's not go there. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border.
The tops of these cabinets were pretty dirty. I had not vacuumed them since we moved in, and there was just a lot of dust and stuff from construction. I actually found a few screws and a few tools up there that the contractors left.
Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if there's a way out. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but I won't have it. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. voice in my life, not waiting a minute. Awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town.
Now that I have all of the upper cabinets cleaned and wiped down, I'm going to be moving on to the lower cabinets and our island.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or say a bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, remedy, yeah.
Lay awake until the morning in an ocean so deep. Got a feeling like I'm dauntless whenever you're next to me. 'Cause I've climbed higher than I could dream of.
Now that I am done with the cabinets and the island, I'm just going to be moving on to the pendant lights. I'm going to start by taking out the bulbs. That way I can make sure that they are cleaned on the inside as well as the outside.
You give a little, but you're giving me just what I need. No time for riddles, you're in the middle of my self-release. You have unchained me. You have unchained me. uncover the truth. 'Cause nothing really matters when you see it from a distance. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I'm up higher.
Moving on to the window that is above the kitchen sink, I'm just going to be giving that a good wipe down as well. If you watched my empty house clean, you saw that I could not reach the top half of that window, so I wanted to go ahead and give that a wipe down as well.
You give a little, but you're giving me just what I need. No time for riddles, you're in the middle.
For the countertops, I'm just using that same Lysol disinfecting spray, and I'm going to let that sit while I move on to cleaning the appliances.
Yeah, you have unchained me.
To clean the stovetop, I am just using the Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser. I love this stuff. It removes any cooked on food or anything that's on the stovetop and makes it really clean.
I deal with them one at a time. I'm holding my head up. You give a little, but you're giving me just what I need. No time for riddles, you're in the middle of my self-release. 'Cause you have unchained me. You have unchained me.
Now that the stovetop is all clean, I'm just going to be using the Method Glass and Surface Spray and my E-Cloth polishing cloth on the rest of the appliances, just to make sure that they are shiny and streak-free.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
To clean the sink, I am just using the Barkeeper's Friend powdered cleanser and a wet sponge just to make sure that everything is really shiny and really clean.
I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide. got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that.
Now that the disinfectant spray has had time to sit and do its job, I'm just going to be wiping everything up with a wet e-cloth.
Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know.
I wanted to get the baseboards really clean and make sure that there were no crumbs or dirt left behind, so I'm just going around the entire kitchen with my vacuum and the brush head attachment.
But we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a
Now that everything has been vacuumed, I'm just going to go over the floors with my O-Cedar spin mop.
we're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought,
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If this motivated you to deep clean your kitchen, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you stick around, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done